Welcome back to Kidney Diet. This tutorial will show you a shortcut in creating a meal. What we're going to do first is select the All Foods tab. And I can see very quickly here in my recent searches, there's a lot of the items that I had just used to create the burger yesterday. Or maybe I had just looked up items and hadn't yet created a meal out of them. But I can see them in the recent searches, and I can use the radio check button to quickly add them to a new meal or to an existing meal. In this instance, let's go down this list, and we know our burger is going to have some tomatoes, we'll check that, some mustard, a hamburger roll. Let's scroll up here a little bit. It'll have some ground beef, might have some lettuce. There's probably a little bit of salt, and I think that's pretty similar to what we had previously created. Let's now say Add to Meal. It's the bottom middle button. And in the window right above that, we can see it listing multiple foods there. Let's go ahead and say Add to Meal. And let's look at our meals. Do we have our burger here? We don't. And we want to create it. So let's just leave it as a new meal and give it the name. Let's say favorite burger, and we hit the return button and the save button, and now we can see our meal fully created. If we want to change some of these amounts because they don't look accurate, now is an easy time to do that. We're probably not going to put a cup of raw tomatoes. We might just put a slice. And a teaspoon of mustard, that might be reasonable, but let's see, a hamburger bun, 3 ounces of ground beef. We're probably not going to put 2 cups of red leaf lettuce, so let's edit that down to be 1 small inner leaf, and let's change that to be 2 leaves. And that's a lot of salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Let's just do a dash instead, and let's go ahead and add this to our diary on July 5th. So now if we want to add other items today, we can select anything we want to search for in the search field, or we can add from the list that is already showing up in recent searches. We can search for custom foods if we so desire, or we can go back and look at meals and add any of those to our daily diary for today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for using Kidney Diet.